中弄过口的声音，别提要说多长路的要，长路说宽敞，都着急不别记得被看落来在梦中开。
To those who have served, are serving, and are planning to serve. We have no other way to thank you than just to say thank you for your service. Again, without the service of Jana, especially my dad was actually one of them as well too. So shout out to those who have fought in the Lao veterans, so who are the Lao veterans. Without them, we would not be here today. Okay? All right, so the next song, switching gears a little bit, is